NSCL is an important node in the International Physics Network. The laboratory's user community includes some 700 researchers from 100 institutions in 35 countries. NSCL maintains a world-leading reputation as a laboratory for rare isotope research and nuclear science education, producing 10% of the nation's nuclear science PhDs who finish 1.5 years faster than the national average. Because of NSCL's continued success, the National Science Foundation has awarded the laboratory over $100 million to fund operations through 2011. On October 26, 2006, NSCL celebrated the continuation of their operational funding through 2011 from the National Science Foundation.
One of the great strengths of the National Science Foundation is that it requires that you be the best. In many ways, we can celebrate the value of quality today. Being among the best, and in this case, being the best, and warranting a renewal of our operating grant.
Nuclear scientists and engineers with their partners have transformed knowledge about the properties of atomic nuclei into tools for medical diagnosis and radiation therapy, detectors for national security, and numerous other remarkable technologies, many of them the results of work at this laboratory. With the assurance of continued federal investment, we can look forward to the next round of output.
This center acts both literally and figuratively as a magnet. It draws top scientists from around the world. It brings the brightest students and professors to Michigan State. It attracts businesses and creates great jobs to this area and to our state. So this lab is a tremendous asset to Michigan and to the nation.
You make it easy to advocate for Michigan State in Washington, D.C., and you're going to make it easy for those struggling undergrads who are going to come here and do great research at this university, get the funding that they need by what you accomplish here today. So this isn't merely an extension of a program, it's an acknowledgement of where this university is going for the future of this great country.
It is clear that Michigan State University and this laboratory share NSF's goal of supplementing formal academics with programs that offer that extra spark that can inspire and retain students in the field.
I am convinced the best research and often the best results take place on university campuses, because you have a very highly trained, extremely capable faculty dedicated both to learning and to research. And you also have graduate students who are eager to find their way into the world of physics and work extremely hard at it. And much as I like the national laboratories and no matter how much I admire what they have done, I still have to say, if you want the cutting edge research, put the facilities at or near a university where you can get your impetus, your ideas out of the faculty, and I think you get much more for your money in a situation like that. I think the combination of the NSCL and the NSF has been a very fortunate one. I hope it continues beyond this to the next version of whatever is developed and built here. It's just extremely important to the future knowledge of our nation. And I congratulate all of you on what you've done so far. And I hope, and I will work with you as much as I can and as long as I am in the Congress to try to continue to improve your fortunes over the years ahead.
For more information on NSCL's plans for the future, visit nscl.msu.edu/ISF.